This is the 2013 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. It's a big V8, 5.8 liter V8, built as the most powerful production V8 in the industry. And I believe it's 662 horsepower, 202 miles per hour capability. I didn't get it up to that speed, but I'll take their word for it. You can go 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds. You can get it, it's good to go in 140 miles per hour in third gear. That just shows you the incredible torque delivery, which is 631 at 4,000 RPM. Some of the things they did to this engine, other than make it very big, is to bore it out to capacity and also put an incredible supercharger on it. Just an awesome output in all gears, in the engine size and what it's capable of doing. It gets fairly good gas mileage, 15 in the city, 24 on the highway. There's no gas guzzler tax on this, so despite the awesome output, you're still getting reasonably good gas mileage, although we've been burning around here and getting 13.1 miles per gallon, so that's not typical. The 15 to 24 is the range. Also a great Mustang on steroids. Really keeps that Mustang muscle car image alive in the best possible way. In my opinion, if this doesn't win the Ward's 10 Best Engine award, it should win the Ward's 10 Beast Engine awards, because it's a real beast of an engine. It's really fun to drive.